My name is Bradley Williams and I'm a director at Family Law in Partnership. So I've specialised for 20 odd years in helping couples achieve a final settlement following the breakdown of their relationship. I do this through a variety of means, which could be through the court process or through dispute resolution or even just simple roundtable negotiations and meetings. And I also sit as an arbitrator. So the court process is one of a range of options available to the parties. In my experience, people that go to court tend to fall into two categories. One is where the parties simply can't agree on what needs to be provided and when, and so the court will make that decision for them. And the other situation is where one or both of the clients are simply intransigent. They cannot reach an agreement about anything, and so really the court has to make a final determination. Those cases are actually fairly rare, but they do tend to grab the headlines, especially in the national press. Those are the cases that we tend to hear about in litigation. Well, it's important to say at the outset that most cases do settle without needing a final determination of the court. Just because the parties may have a legal difference of opinion, that doesn't make one or both of them unreasonable, and it's important to always remember that. And when I litigate, I always try never to make any unnecessary criticisms of the other party which serves no purpose. The other thing which is very important is to keep the parties focused on the actual issues at hand. And I do this really through two methods. One is by giving early advice at the outset about the parameters for settlement, and the other is by keeping strategic throughout the case. The majority of my cases have international aspects to them. This could involve one or both of the parties being resident or domiciled abroad, or, as is often the case, one or both the parties having assets abroad, which could include property, bank accounts, or indeed trust assets as well. It's very important, whether there are any assets or any issues in relation to jurisdiction, to always seek advice in that other jurisdiction to be able to give the best advice possible. At Family Law in Partnership, we are really uniquely placed to help clients who have international issues on divorce and separation. We have a wealth of experience in our team. Many of our lawyers speak foreign languages. We have an excellent set and network of foreign contacts as well. Really, we approach all our cases the same, whether they have international aspects or not. We always seek the best bespoke solutions for our clients.